In this lecture, we will review how parents can adopt a holistic approach to child development. As per an article in thelearningworldvenetian.com, parenting is a journey that requires nurturing every aspect of your child's development, including social and emotional development. Children need to learn conflict resolution skills and how to socialize with other students. Today, many parents strive to adopt a more holistic approach to child development. I will review different tips and tricks that you need to know to be more holistic. First is finding the right school. It is crucial to select a school that shares your values as a parent. According to Brightly, students who attend at least 2 years of pre-K are likelier to succeed in school later. Take the time to explore curriculums and pre-K options to find one that encourages your child to explore the world around them using their senses. Next, physical health. It is crucial to prioritize a child's physical health. Watching television all day is unsuitable for little ones. Instead, encourage them to play outside. Provide plenty of nutritious meals and snacks to ensure they get their vitamins and nutrients through food. Now let's talk about emotional growth. Children continue to develop emotionally as they grow. Take the time to discuss their feelings with them. Set a positive example using positive conflict resolution and emotional healthy coping skills. Parents are often a child's primary role model, so working with them one-on-one is essential to encourage healthy emotional growth. Now, the nurturing environment, that is important too. Students require a nurturing environment to thrive. They don't need expensive toys and gadgets. Ensure your little one gets plenty of positive attention and big hugs. Spend plenty of quality time with them during wholesome educational activities, such as reading books, coloring, completing puzzles, and playing with blocks. Healthy sleep habits, that's a biggie. A holistic approach to child development encompasses every aspect, including developing healthy sleep habits. So turn off screens at least 1 hour, even 2 hours before bedtime to ensure they don't interrupt your child's sleep. Establish a bedtime routine, such as bathing and reading a story, to help them relax and fall into sleep with ease. And remember, a holistic approach to child development helps increase emotional intelligence. They learn about themselves, including how to address their feelings and the importance of nutrition and mindfulness. In my next few lectures on middle childhood, we will focus on the ages between 6 and 11 years old. I will review the developmental milestones during that age period and also talk about childhood obesity and mental health disorders in children and psychosocial development in regards to peer influences that contributes to behavioral outcomes later in life.